Get your dewy glow on with Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. Clean skincare may seem like a recent trend, but for centuries, women and men have been using natural ingredients to maintain healthy skin. From ancient Egyptians using milk baths to Korean beauty, popularly known as K-beauty, routines incorporating plant-based ingredients, natural skincare has always been in vogue. Glow Recipe, a Korean-American brand, has successfully combined the power of natural and clinical skincare with its Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. Let's dive into why this mist is a must-have for your skincare routine. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist is packed with watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and hibiscus ahas, making it a powerhouse of natural and clinical ingredients. Watermelon is a rich source of amino acids and vitamins, providing exceptional hydration while fighting off free radicals to prevent fine lines and wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid, on the other hand, hydrates and plumps your skin by holding 1000x its weight in moisture. And the hibiscus, containing naturally occurring ahas, smooths uneven texture, softens, and hydrates skin for optimal makeup application. One of the best things about this biphase mist is its ability to enhance your natural dewy glow and your makeup with a single spritz. Shake it before you spray it to mix up the nourishing oil layer with the water-based active extracts, and voila! You have a haze of softening, smoothing, and illuminating hydration that refreshes and enhances your skin. It's no wonder that the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist has become a favorite among K-beauty enthusiasts and clean skincare advocates alike. Glow Recipe doesn't just care about your skin, it's equally committed to sustainable beauty. The brand uses eco-friendly and vegan ingredients, packaging, and practices. Even the watermelon used in the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist comes from a farm that operates under regenerative farming practices. This commitment to sustainability makes the brand even more desirable for conscious consumers. In conclusion, it's clear that the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist is not just a pretty face but an excellent addition to your skincare routine. With its natural and clinical ingredients, it hydrates, plumps, and smooths your skin while enhancing your makeup. And with the brand's sustainable practices, you can feel good about the impact you're making on the environment. So spritz away and get your dewy glow on.